In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create projects using Project Creator for JIRA from Withifyd. Once you've installed Project Creator for JIRA, you'll find a link at the bottom of the administration menu bar. Click on that and you'll be taken to the main configuration screen. On this screen, you can set up component schemes, version schemes, and project role schemes. You can also set up permissions of who can create projects and such. We'll come back to this in a bit. For now, let's set up a component scheme, which will allow us to have our project pre-populated with a standard set of components at the time of project creation. This time, we're going to set up a blog component scheme. We start off by giving it a name, and then add in our components. The same way that you add a component scheme is the same way that you set up version schemes. Give it a name and add it. Then add your versions. We now have a component and a version scheme, but we would also like to have a project role scheme. A project role scheme allows you to predefine a set of project roles for your project. Just like the previous schemes, you start off by giving it a name and adding it. Once you've added it, you can choose to have the project role scheme skip adding the default project role to the project. Adding the project roles themselves is easily done by just adding the username or searching for the username to add. We now have our supporting schemes. Let's set up the permissions. Project Creator for JIRA comes with two permission types. People with the Create permission are able to create projects. People with the Owner permission can become project leads during the creation step. Adding a group of users is simple to do, and just requires you to select a group and then add them to the appropriate permission type. In this case, we're going to add the team leads to the owners of the projects and the project managers, in addition to the regular JIRA administrators, to the creation permission. Once we've done this, the project creators have a new option underneath the browse option in the menu bar. This is where they will go to create projects. Let's go back to the configuration area and create the actual template. A template starts off with a name and a description, if you want to. The name is shown to the creators during the creation step. The description is for your own internal usage and is only shown on this screen. Once we've done this, we can now edit our template. A template consists of all the standard project properties, such as workflow scheme, notification scheme, and so forth. In addition to this, you can also make use of the component, version, and project role schemes that we previously created. The guidance note is displayed to the project creators during the project creation phase and is a good way to explain when the template should be used. If you want to inherit settings from another template, you can set that template as a parent template. If you don't set a value in this template, the value from the parent will be then used. After a while, you might discover that you have a lot of templates. By specifying a group, you're able to only show the templates for the user that belongs to those groups, and hiding the template from everyone else. The category selection allows you to select one or more categories. By selecting more than one category here, the creator is then given a choice at creation time to select the category that fits the project need. Filling out the project template is easily done. Choosing Not Set will make the template default either to the system default or the parent template's value for that option. Once we've set this up, we save the template and it's now available to create projects from. We're now going to log in as a user with the creation rights. We previously set up the project managers to be able to create projects. So let's log in as the project manager. The project manager is not an administrator. However, because they have the creation permission, they'll get the create project from template option. They can click on that and then select the template to use. Give the project a name and a key. If there are groups with the owner permission, the creator can then select the project lead. If they don't select the user, or there are no users with the owner permission, they'll become the project lead. In addition, if there are project categories to select from, they can choose from those. Once they click submit, the project is created. And as you can see, this project has all of the options set up. Now, that was a very quick demonstration of how to set up a project with Project Creator for JIRA. If you have any questions, please contact us by going to www.widify.com/support. Thank you.